Hello? Charity.
Oh, all right.
Right, let's get one thing straight. We are not dead.
No.
In fact, as you can see, we've both been very busy.
Oh, yes.
I've been busy running. I raised £556 for cancer research by running Race for Life.
And I've been very busy as well. Sitting.
Oh, I'm now in training for a half marathon. I'm trying to improve my performance by implementing various running techniques. Chi running, fartlek, the kangaroo lunge, and the Zola Bud barefoot boogie.
And I've been very busy too, perfecting my sitting technique. Sitting up straight, slouching, and sitting with a hot beverage and a biscuit.
Oh, I've got a medal for my running.
Yes, I've got a medal for my sitting too.
Have you?
Yes, down the back of the sofa.
But fret not, 3 girls in a boat are not dead.
No.
I think I'm